Hello, welcome to the IFN Dhaba. I'm Seema. Today I'm going to be doing a very quick chicken recipe with you, which is absolutely delectable. So over to my kitchen. So this is about 750 grams of chicken, 3 large diced onions, 1¼ teaspoon of salt. Salt of course is as per taste. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1½ teaspoon of amchur powder. Then we have coriander leaves and slit green chilies for garnishing. We have kasuri methi, and we have 3 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh cream and oil for cooking. So now I light the gas. I pour in the oil. Let the kadai and the oil heat up a little bit. Now these are the 3 diced onions which I am going to put in. I just mix this well. So now I'll wait for the onions to get brown. So just to make the process a little faster of the onions, that they grow brown faster, I'll just add in a little bit of salt. They are a nice pink color. They are pretty translucent, but we have to get to a brown color, but not the dark brown, because then if it becomes too dark brown, the onions go bitter. So now as you can see, the onions have browned. They are not black, but they are just a nice brown color. So now I add in the garlic ginger paste. I lower the flame and cook the garlic ginger paste. So once the garlic ginger paste gets cooked and you have a nice aroma of the garlic ginger paste, then you start adding the chicken. As you add the chicken slowly, just sear it nicely. The chicken has been seared nicely. Now I add in the remaining salt. I add in the black pepper, giving it one more churn. I just add a little bit of water. Cover it with the lid. Lower the flame, just pour some water up so that the chicken doesn't burn and cooks properly, and leave it like that for about 20 minutes, and then keep stirring in between, and just keep checking the chicken intermittently, because each chicken varies. Some chicken are very tender, some are a little tough, so accordingly. So let's see the chicken. So yeah, the chicken is done. We have got a nice brown color. This chicken is done only in onion, garlic and ginger paste. There are no tomatoes or no coconut milk added to it. So just let me check the chicken. Yes, it's done. Now again, chicken, it depends. If you really want it fork tender, you can cook it a little more. If you want it just a little okay, then that's also fine. And it has taken me about 25 to 30 minutes doing this. So in case you want to speed up the process and don't have that much time on hand, you can even pressure cook it. but I like to cook it on slow flame because all the flavors come out very nicely. Now I add in the jeera powder. In goes the coriander powder. I add in the amchur powder. Now just in case you don't have amchur, you can easily substitute it for lemon, not a problem at all. Just stir it well. So basically this is a dry chicken. Now if you want to, just as it is right now, it's good to go, you can have it. But if you want to add something more, you can, experiment some more and add a little more things. So as it is also, if you want to have it, it's good to go. So it's a dried chicken basically. So now I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Now in case you are very health conscious and you don't want cream, you can opt for 2 tablespoons of yogurt. And so this makes it a little more a thickish gravy kind of a thing. I just stir it well, and you add the cream just before serving the chicken. I add the garam masala. I add in the kasuri methi. I add in the garnish of coriander leaves and slit green chilies. So you have seen that I've added in the cream, the coriander leaves, the green chilies, the kasuri methi, and now I just give it a quick stir. So now this is an absolutely dry chicken. So just want to loosen the gravy a little bit. So I just add a little bit of water. I make the flame a little high. So this is how the chicken and onion looks. I'm going to make it a little more with thick gravy. So choice is up to you whether you wanted an absolutely dry chicken or you want it with a little gravy. So since we had cream, so a little gravy is nice. So here I'm done with the chicken with onion. So this is the chicken in onions, and you can have it with roti, naan, bread, rice, whatever you like. And if you like this recipe, subscribe to India Food Network. Any queries, any comments, write in. Thank you. Goodbye till next time.